Okay, in this video I'll show you how to create some Groundhog Day bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Groundhog Day is the holiday mainly celebrated in Pennsylvania. You may remember from the Bill Murray film. It's used to determine whether winter will end early in February or whether there'll be another 6 weeks of cold weather. Okay, this is the initial screen of Bingo Card Printer. I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and I have a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. Create a blank one, enter my own words, alphabet, numbers, choose school subjects like English, geography, history, science, math. I can choose events like birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, but if I go into holidays, I have a choice of holidays like 4th of July, Canada Day, Chinese New Year, Christmas, and so forth. And if I scroll down, I'll find Groundhog Day. I simply click on it. I can either double click on it or click on it and click OK, and there's my initial Groundhog Day bingo card. On the left hand side is a list of words relating to Groundhog Day. On the right hand side is a preview of the bingo card with those words on it. The words at the moment are in the same order as on this list. In the real bingo cards, every bingo card will contain a different random combination of words in a different order. I can add my own items, like for example I could add Bill Murray, and it will be added on the list. You may have noticed these words are in alphabetical order and my additional items appear at the bottom. There are options to resort the list, rearrange the item orders and so forth, so I can, for example, resort them into alphabetical order. I can also delete items I don't want, so for example, if I don't want the word top hats in there, I can simply click on it and then click delete and remove it from the screen. So I can customize this word list. I can also customize the bingo card size. I can make a 3x3 bingo card, 4x4, 5x5 if I want. I'd have to enter more items to fill out the blank spaces, or larger. I can customize the heading of the bingo card. I'll go back to 4x4 for now, so that the items can all fit. Customize the heading of the bingo card. So, for example, let's make Phil, which is the famous name of the groundhog. The heading of the bingo card, and if I have an odd number size bingo card, I can have free space in the middle, or I can turn it off. If I have an even number like 4x4 or 6x6, there is no single middle square, so there's no free space. Okay, when I'm happy with that basic design, I can also change the fonts and colors. I'll change the colors just in an example. We'll make the heading perhaps light blue, and we'll make the squares, let's make them light green, and we'll make there's no free space, so we'll just say that's it. There's my sample bingo card. When I'm happy with that, happy with the fonts and so forth, I can ready to do print. So I look at the options concerning printing, which are over here. Print call list, that basically gives me an extra sheet with these words in a random order. It's very handy if you need a printed reference as a bingo caller to the items you're going to call out. If you don't want to play that way, you don't want a printed reference, you can simply uncheck call list, but I'll leave it on so you can see in my demonstration what it looks like. Choose how many bingo cards I want to print on each page, 1, 2 or 4. If I print more bingo cards per page, each individual bingo card will be smaller, but I potentially could save paper by putting multiple bingo cards on the page. But the downside again is I might have to cut the paper up. And I can choose how many bingo cards I want to print. I can put 1, I can put 10, I can put in 1,000, I can put in up to 9,999, as many as I need. So I'll put in 50 for demonstration, and I'm now ready to do print. I'll do print preview so you can see on screen what the bingo cards would look like. First page is a call list, the list of words in random order that I mentioned earlier. And if I do next page, you'll see the first bingo card. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole thing. There's words relating to the Groundhog Day. And if I click next, you'll see the second bingo card with a different set of words and so forth. So it's a very quick way of creating a whole set of customized bingo cards with quite minimal amount of effort. Okay, that's the main options of the program. There is one other one I'll just mention in my demonstration, which is quite useful. As an alternative to the call list, the software can pick items out for the bingo caller during gameplay. You simply say call game on the play menu, choose one item at random, in this case groundhog, and it will show you the previous items and the current item on the left hand side here. So when I click next, it will choose another item at random, and it scrolls down, so groundhog is now underneath, and so forth. If you aren't familiar with all these items relating to Groundhog Day, Obviously you can watch the Bill Murray film where you'll hear some of them, but I would suggest you have a look at the Wikipedia article on Groundhog Day, which will refresh your memory. Okay, that's basically it. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download it from bingocardprinter.com. It runs on all recent versions of Windows, so go to the website, download it, try it out. Hopefully you will like the free trial version, which you download for free, obviously. And if you do, you can register and upgrade to the full version of the program, which allows you to do everything you can see in this video and a lot more besides. The free trial version and the registered version both include hundreds of templates to get you started for ready-to-use bingo activities. Thank you very much.